Bullying Prevention Month itself may be coming to an end, but its message continues well beyond the month of October. Gunderson child and family therapist Jeff Reiland joins us once again on this Medical Monday. Dr. Reiland, thanks for being here. Now, bullying, of course, kind of a buzzword that we've heard over the last couple of years in particular. Is this something that we're seeing more of, or we're just recognizing different patterns as bullying now?
I think both are true. I think we are seeing a little bit more. The numbers would say that we're seeing a little more bullying because of social media. Cyberbullying, I think, is on the upswing. More kids have access to devices. They may not be as well supervised. Of course, the part of the brain that helps them decide is this a good idea or not isn't quite in place, and so they might send messages that aren't very, very kind to one another. And kids don't want to give their devices up, and so they don't tell their parents about it, and so it tends to persist. So it can be a huge problem from a cyberbullying standpoint. We're seeing an increase, yes.
And that seems to be the problem, is when kids kind of conceal it and don't share it with their parents. How can parents help with that, start the conversation talking to their kids?
Well, I think it needs to be an ongoing conversation that parents have with children from a very young age, talking just simply how do you treat one another? How do you treat each other? Encouraging children when they see them being kind to one another. I think kind of right now the big movement is toward teaching and promoting kindness and empathy with children, and parents, other adults can do that. And so those are really kind of the areas we're looking at, because I don't think we're going to get rid of bullying, even though this month is going to end in a week or so. We're still going to have it around. This month is really an opportunity to highlight the things that we can do to help prevent bullying, but we really need to empower our children to be kinder to one another.
Right, and real quick, we're running out of time here. With the increasing outlets for bullying to take place, social media you mentioned, there are increasing tools as well online. Gunderson's got one called togetheragainstbullying.org. Can you tell us just a little bit about it real quick?
Yes, it's a resource for parents. So parents and sometimes teachers can use this to go to get information about what they can do to have that conversation with their children, how they can engage their children with games, activities, just thought-provoking questions, things that can help them become more aware of their surroundings, of relationships with other people.
Certainly an important tool in the fight against bullying as that continues to go on even after this month ends. Dr. Reiland, we thank you for being here once again this morning.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You as well. 11 minutes before 7 o'clock. Here's a live look at Tower Skycam. Perhaps, a dark start to your Monday morning. We'll be right back with a check of your day planner outlook next.